Good morning, students. I am Kamal Nath. I welcome you all in class of grammar. Students, we are going to start today a new chapter in grammar, that is modals. Chapter 11 is modals, and today we shall learn what are modals, what are their uses, in what way we use in a spoken and written, and how modals are helpful for us to speak good English. Let us first start. What are modals? Modals are helping verbs or auxiliary verbs like can, must, may, might, could, would, will, should, need, ought to, etc., which are used with verbs to show possibility, ability, obligation, to seek permission, and make requests and to give and accept offers. So, these are the modals, and they are helping verbs, they are auxiliary verbs, but they are used for different purposes, and we shall learn one by one their uses, different uses of modals. So let us see next. Here one by one the uses of modals. First let's start from can. This is helping verb also, and it is modals. Can is used to show ability. It is used for permission, request, suggestion, possibility, and to offer. Through examples we can understand them very easily. I can solve this problem. Here can in this sentence shows possibility or ability. Can here shows that ability of some person. I can solve this problem means I have the ability, I have the capacity to solve this problem. Can I use your pen, please? Here is, you are asking permission with request. Can you wait for a moment? Can you wait for a moment? Here it is request. It can rain today. It is showing possibility. It is not sure, it will rain. It can rain today. So can here in this sentence shows there is possibility that it can rain. So these are some uses of can, and you use can for various purposes here in your sentences. Let us see now the another modals, that is could. Could is past tense of can. Could is past form of verb can, that is auxiliary verb can. Could is used to show ability in the past, means someone had the capacity or ability that was in the past, for permission, seeking permission, for probability, and to offer as well. Let us see some examples. The usage of could. I could dance when I was a child. Here could shows in this sentence the ability that was when I was a child. Could I use your mobile? Here you are asking permission, and here could is here used for speaking more politely, in the way that you are very politely asking someone, could I use your mobile? He could have done it by mistake. Here it is showing probability that this mistake must have been done here by him. Okay. I could lend my book for today. It's just an offer. It is offer that you are offering someone that you can give the book for today. So we see here different uses of modals, how we use here for different purposes. May is used to express possibility, permission, or suggestion. Through example, let us see. My father may come today, showing possibility. There is possibility. I am not sure, but there is possibility that my father may come. today. May I use the board? You are seeking permission. Through these sentences, I am seeking permission. May I use the board? May I help you? Here, so like this, you can see here these different kinds of uses of models, and they are very useful in our spoken and written both. That can beautify our language, that can strengthen our language, and can make our language very impressive, influencing. So we should use these models whenever it is required in our language. Next model is here must. Must is used to show force, advice, surety, etc. We must do exercise daily. We must do exercise daily. It is what a stress given on a kind of action that we must do. This is a force is given. We must do exercise daily. You must consult a doctor. Here you are giving advice to someone. You must consult a doctor. Weather is cloudy. It must rain today. It is some surety expressed through this sentence. It must rain today. Why? Because the weather is cloudy. Next is there should. Where should is used? We use should to give advice, polite suggestion, or to predict. You should take medicine regularly. You are giving advice through this sentence. The principal should address the meeting. There is here prediction. It is just a prediction made in this sentence. There is possibility that principal may address the meeting today. Let us see the exercise. Here is the exercise for you, and that is exercise A. You have to use the models in the blanks. Here, already in the box, dark box that is given, these words are models. I have solved already, and you must do that one in your book. It may rain today. It may rain today. Here may is showing possibility in this sentence. May I take your pen? Here may is used in this sentence to seek permission, to ask permission. The train may be late. Here there is some possibility expressed in this sentence using the model may. The train may be late. Like that is, I can cross the river. Here can in this sentence shows the ability of a person. I can cross the river means I have the ability to cross the river. He will lead you to the hall. He will lead you to the hall. Here it is what here showing some kind of activity that is showing that it can be here done by someone, that someone will help you. Someone will help you. Plants can now grow. Plants cannot grow on the soil. Here can is showing here the ability of the soil, that it has no ability, no capacity to grow plants. Like that there are here uses of models in different sentences. Here the next one, 7 sentences. Students ought to respect their teachers. Ought to is here showing obligation. It is here obligation, our obligation, morality to respect our teachers, our elders. Here the next one in 8th question is here. Flight tickets will be expensive soon. It is here some here prediction done. Players must exercise regularly. It is here what? Force given on this one, a stress given that this is here must to do. So players must exercise regularly. Can we play another game of carom? Here through model can, it is here seeking permission. Sentence is seeking permission. They should be traveling all over the country. Here should is here showing prediction or here possibility. It seems difficult, but it seems It seems difficult, but we must reach our destination before dusk. The boxer might be able to reach the semi-final at least. Will you leave that cat alone? Shouted the naughty boy's mother. I must get up early tomorrow because my homework is incomplete. So these were some uses of models, and now you all please do these exercises in your book. Thank you. We shall discuss some more models and their uses in the next session of the video. Thank you.